Clock ticks slow in this quiet space. No one's around, it's my own embrace. Fridge hums low like a whispered tone, finding peace while living alone. I'm dancing with shadows, they move so light. Under the moon, soft silver flight. No noise, no clutter, just a calm unknown. I'm feeling whole while living alone. Kettle sings its familiar tune. Tonight's my friend beneath the moon. A chair for one, but it feels just right. In my small world under starry night, I'm dancing with shadows, they move so light. Under the moon, soft silver flight. No noise, no clutter, just a calm unknown. I'm feeling whole while living alone. Ooh, no footsteps falling, no voices loud. The silence wraps me like a soft cloud. Every corner holds a piece of me, freedom found in my simplicity. I'm dancing with shadows, they move so light. Under the moon, soft silver flight. No noise, no clutter, just a calm unknown. I'm feeling whole while living alone. Ooh.
Tegakan ka dah?
Good evening. We come here to reward what we have done, because at the town we feel sometimes stress, so come like this very good camping.
sắp trở lại đấy nhá.
Ayan na.
Walls hum low, the night's asleep. I keep the sounds I choose to keep. No phone, no word, just staring tight. The quiet feels like it's mine. In quiet corners, I breathe again. No need to talk, no need to mend. The silence hums, the room agrees. It's only me and memories. Curtains sway to my small tune. The world outside forgets too soon. Stillness holds my trembling hands. Peace is something I understand in quiet corners. I'm home again. Don't call, don't send. This calm's my only friend. Quiet corners, stay till dawn, and I'll be gone.